Hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this drawing video, I will give you a few tips to improve basic drawing skills. There are some important points to consider in order to make a good drawing. First, correct line usage is very important. To draw sharp and smooth lines, it is important to keep your hand and wrist relaxed and open. At the same time, maintain an upright posture and position the paper correctly while drawing. Perspective skills are important for reflecting objects accurately. By using perspective, you can accurately convey the depth and size of the space in which objects are located. While drawing an object, it is useful to observe the surrounding objects and background. The use of light and shadow also helps make your drawings more realistic. Identify the light source falling on the subject and carefully create shadow areas. The direction and strength of the light will emphasize the volume of the object. Spend time on the details, but also don't ignore the outlines. Draw the big lines first and then work on the details. As you progress, constantly observe and balance your drawings as a whole. Finally, never stop practicing. Every drawing is an opportunity to improve your skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep drawing consistently to achieve your goals. If you follow these guidelines, you'll have a good start on improving your drawing skills. We are becoming a bigger family every day. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to join this family. Yes, our drawing is finished. How do you think it happened? Thank you for watching my video. If you have drawings you want me to draw, you can write them in the comments. See you in the next video.